Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Unpairing is useful if you want to sell your smartband to somebody, give it away to somebody, or maybe you want to connect it to a different device. That's when the unpairing comes useful, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the HUAWEI Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. Actually, let me reopen it so you can see the default page. Once you open it, you will see the Health page and you can tap on Devices. And here on the list of devices, you will see your HUAWEI Band 11 Pro. Tap on it. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. And then tap on Unpair Device. Tap on Unpair. And the smartband will disappear from the device page, as you can see. And now what we need to do is to open the settings on our iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. And here on the list of my devices, you will still see HUAWEI Band 11 Pro. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget Device and tap on Forget Device. And once it disappears, you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. And now you can try to pair it with another device, or you can give it away or sell it to somebody else. Okay, if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.